Click on the link below to get price. The Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is a game changer for both men and women who spend long hours cycling. Designed to alleviate discomfort that often arises from traditional bike seats, this innovative cushion offers extra padding while promoting a more ergonomic riding position. Right out of the box, the cushion feels high quality and well made, featuring a plush top layer designed for maximum comfort. The noseless design is particularly beneficial, as it helps to reduce pressure on sensitive areas, ensuring that long rides are no longer a painful ordeal. The cushion conforms to your shape, providing personalized support that traditional bike seats often lack. Installation is straightforward. The cushion easily attaches to almost any bike seat with adjustable straps, allowing for a secure fit. Once in place, it remains stable even during bumpy rides, which is a significant advantage. Riders can finally focus on the journey rather than fidgeting with their seat. During my initial test rides, I was impressed with how the cushion absorbed shock from uneven terrain. The extra padding does an excellent job of cushioning the sit bones while allowing for an enjoyable cycling experience. The material used is breathable and moisture-wicking, which helps keep you cool and dry, even on warmer days. One of the standout features is its versatility. It's suitable for various biking styles, whether you're commuting, mountain biking, or just enjoying a leisurely ride. I've used it on both my road bike and my mountain bike, and it performed admirably on both. While the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion effectively addresses comfort issues, it may take some time to get used to the noseless design. Some might initially feel a sense of imbalance, but this sensation dissipates after a few rides as your body adjusts. In summary, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is an exceptional product that enhances the cycling experience. Its thoughtful design, superior comfort, and easy installation make it a worthwhile investment for cyclists seeking to improve their ride quality.